What?
The rain's finally quit. We are able to get outside. We're gonna haul some more parts. We got a lot of parts coming in. As normal.
That's an understatement.
We're unloading now. We're unloading Mustang parts. Mach 1. What other years, babe?
Huh?
What other years we unloading? Do you know? It's Mustang. It's a
either
variety.
60, yeah, it's a variety. 60s, early 70s.
60s, early 70s. So we're gonna unload them. Then we're gonna go haul some more parts. Somebody needs some of these parts. This is the hub's truck. He likes it pretty good. Miss Karen's up here. She's climbing in. Got some Mustang doors, trunk lids, all kind of good stuff. We got some deck lids and some doors. Y'all come on.
Turn. That and that probably went together.
This.
Yeah, that brand new in there and that. And they were in really good shape.
Yeah.
Easy.
We're having a good time. It's been raining. We finally got outside. We are so glad, but it is so hot and humid. Georgia. Woo!
Tell them, Mom.
Oh, that's got the Mustang on there. We know what that is.
Tell them, Mom.
Somebody been working on the race car while it's been raining.
Imagine there's
yeah.
The door and the trunk lid. You sell all that as a...
Yeah, see it.
I think there's one more decent shape.
Yeah, finding all kind of parts to go with it.
Right here's the tail panel. I'd say this goes with that and this piece here.
Okay.
Come on inside. Come on.
We got a lot of various Mustang parts we want to go through, get these washed up, get them priced. Any Ford Mustang fans out there? Give me a shout out.
There's those headers.
Mm-hmm.
They're nice.
Yep. Nice stuff in here.
Yeah,
There's a Chevrolet, 54, 55.
This here, I think it's...
We got them all back. We're going to unload them and show you what we got.
No, that might be like a...
Question mark.
Question mark.
That might be a Ford. Like a 46, 47 coupe. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Just put Ford Coupe and a question mark on it.
Where's that other fender?
It's back there. It's behind, down back there in the back.
Is it behind this one?
Yeah. That's all right. We'll just put. We like our question marks.
But I'm not positive.
Here you go.
I'm sure somebody will tell you.
I might be wrong. I wish we would look before we'd even rode on it.
Well, take it off. It looks almost like a fender. It goes on one of them right there.
What now?
It's almost like that fender right there. On that.
'56 Chevrolet hood.
54.
54.
Let's pick up. Where do you want to put it?
We got them over there, or we can put it over here. There's those 57s over there. Right here with this 57 Chevy stuff.
Yeah, let's put them right here.
Set it up there on top of that.
Yeah, you might do that.
Chevrolet truck.
Chevrolet truck. You just swing it right.
I can look that one up. It's 11. So.
All right.
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Damn, babe, damn.
Sorry, right there.
It's coming.
I had it.
God, lay it.
I'm sorry.
It's all right.
I didn't know where we were going with it.
It's okay.
I thought we were going all the way down. Let's get the 8 Chevrolet. I tell you what, it's a hot day in Georgia. Ain't it, babe?
That's right.
It went from 70 degrees to 86 today. Wow. We got in some good stuff. We got a Pontiac hood in. We got a 71 to 72 Nova. I think that's a Pontiac GTO. I'm not sure. It's got the front up here. We got a lot more rat rod stuff in. A lot of doors. There's some 61 to 66 Ford doors over there too. We're going to unload all this stuff. We'll show you to you. The hub's been working hard. We all been working hard. We got a 50s Ford hood right there with the flames on it. 56 Chevrolet. And I think this is a 54. I think. Got all this Mustang stuff in. We got all kind of parts. Well, we've had a good week. It's the ending of a week. It's been raining, sun shining, and the hubs is up here. He's changed positions, working on his 70 Camaro, split bumper. Fixing her up, ain't you, babe?
Yeah, boy, trying to.
Yeah, he's fixing the manual shift in there with the hump. The hump.
Yeah, these people that don't need to damn have their hands on anything mechanical. I can tell you that right there.
He's fixing her up. We bought this 1970 Camaro, split bumper in the front. We bought it. My hubby, he loves him some Camaros. It's got a manual in it. I'm not sure the motor. I think it's a 350 small block. Have to ask him to see, but anyway, we bought it. He's doing a little repair to the manual. He didn't like the hump that was in it, so he's fixing the shift where the hump was at. We took the seats out. We're gonna get her put back together and take her for a ride down the road. This thing, we took it for one ride. He took all the seats out, gonna fix it. And we hadn't rode it in since, but we're gonna get her back together and see what she does.